Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, happy first day of summer, South Florida. Today marks the official day of summer, and it starts officially at 1:16. Now, I know you're laughing, saying, Julie, it's been feeling like summer for quite some time. Well, here is the official outlook from the National Weather Service. They're stating that we will see temperatures above average for the season. No surprise. We've already been above average for quite some time. The seasonal high is 90 degrees in Miami and the low is 76. We are forecasted to stay above that, and we are forecasted to see above average precipitation, which is good news because we desperately need it. As we go live outside, we are seeing some low-level clouds moving on shore with our east-southeasterly wind, but the winds are very light this morning, so you can see Biscayne Bay looks like glass, absolutely gorgeous, but you'll be greeted with that heat and the humidity as soon as you open that front door. It is very sticky out there. Take a look at the radar. We are dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West. Boy, yesterday we saw some very strong storms throughout inland Broward as well as Miami-Dade, and then some coastal showers sparked up some of those water spouts and some funnel clouds. This morning, though, it looks as though that drier air is filtering in, and that will suppress any widespread chance of showers or storms for us. Temperatures in the upper 70s in Deerfield Beach and Pompano Beach. You're waking up at 78 in Fort Lauderdale, 75 in Pembroke Pines, 76 in Hialeah, warm 81 degrees in Miami already with a relative humidity of 79% and a southeast wind at 5 miles per hour. 75 in Kendall and Homestead, and down by the Keys, temperatures right now are in the lower 80s in Marathon. For you in Key West, a temperature of 83 degrees. So with high pressure in place over the southeast, that's keeping things very warm. Now to the west of us, we do have an area of low pressure and a trailing cold front bringing some strong storms to the middle portions of the U.S. The reason we're watching this is this system is forecasted to move towards the east today and could spark up some severe weather through the Midwest. Right now, some heavy rain. You can see the rain starting all the way up by the Dakotas, stretching all the way south in towards Texas. As the system continues to push towards the east, some forecast models are actually showing this system moving into the northern portions of Florida by the end of the week, and that could bring us a better chance of some showers and storms. But for now, it's all about the heat and the dry air that's filtering in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, so that will inhibit any widespread chance of showers or storms. The storms that will develop will be once that sea breeze is triggered, and that will favor inland Broward as well as Miami-Dade and push back to the west coast. Going to the tropics, things are quiet in the Gulf of Mexico as well as the Caribbean and the Atlantic, and there's no tropical cyclone development expected in the next 48 hours. The marine forecast calls for a threat of rip currents. If you're doing any boating, the bay will be at a light chop. In lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today above average, no surprise. 93 at the coast, 94 inland. We'll have brighter beaches and PM thunderstorms possible. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. We'll see late clearing and we'll dry out. We'll do it all over again for your Wednesday, and you'll see highs will stay in the lower 90s for the next 7 days. Have a great Tuesday.